Auntie, he's not moving.
Smells like dog poop.
Mm-hmm. Stick. Where's the marshmallows or stick? Let's look. Stick.
Mm-hmm.
Why is there stick there?
It's for roasting marshmallows.
Yeah, that was the one I used for marshmallows. Don't knock it down. I want it to stand up in the ground.
That wing just unfurled.
Nice.
Auntie.
What?
It's shells coming out, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's like, dude, why are there so many bright lights in my face?
You okay, Auntie?
What? What was that?
He's out.
Mom,
He's got a teeny bit of his tail left.
he's out.
No, just a teeny bit of his tail is left in there. Get some.
What does that look like?
Kind of looks like grossness.
Yeah, he looks kind of slimy.
Mm.
Are you okay, Mom?
Hmm.
Auntie, is this thing gonna come out quick?
No.
Its tails has to come out.
Oh.
Auntie, why did you do that?
Do what?
She pulled his tail off.
No, I didn't pull his
No.
tail off. His tail's right there, honey. His tail's in.